Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about simulation of Hartley oscillator using Multisim simulator. Multisim 11.0 version we are going to use. So let's begin using this Multisim simulator. So first of all, so this is the diagram we are going to use Hartley oscillator. If you observe here in this Hartley oscillator, we are going to use op-amp circuit and we are using inductors having 50 microhenry and this is also 50 microhenry and capacitor we are going to use, and for this op amp we are going to use the power supply. So in this way we are going to rig up the circuit. So we'll see how to simulate in multisim software 11.0 version. So this is the multisim 11.0 version. If you observe here, we have file option, we have edit, view, place. So for Hartley oscillator, we require op amp, we require inductors, capacitors, power supply. So let's start selecting the components. Go to place option, select component. So in this group, you need to select the sources. For selecting the VCC supply, select VCC, click on OK. Select it here and we require negative supply, select VEE, click on OK. And we require ground also. So select ground, click on OK. So place first all the components here. Then we need op amp. So for that one, in this group, you need to select the option as analog. So analog 741. Select 741, place it here. Then we require the basic components such as inductor and capacitor. So basic, select capacitor, click on OK. Select the capacitor, then inductor, click on OK. And one more inductor we require, select it, click on OK. So all the components has been selected now. So we are going to rig up the circuit. So first of all, connect the power supply to the op amp. So the op amp 7 and 4 are for the power supply. So select this VCC, place it here and make the connection to pin number 7. And we are going to select 90-degree clockwise. You need to select. Again click on 90-degree clockwise. Now connect it to pin number 4. So that is connected now. Now we are going to place the capacitor. So place the capacitor here. So this capacitor, it is placed to pin number 6. Then this inductor, 90-degree clockwise. One inductor is placed across this and another inductor, place it 90-degree clockwise, select it here. Now make the connections now, and from this L1 inductor, connect it to L2 inductor. So this is connected. Now connect this C1 to this L1 connection and connect pin number 2 to here. And place this ground, take it as a common ground, make the connections, and this pin number 3 is also grounded. So take it as a common ground. Then you connect this L2 to pin number 2 itself. Now this connection is done now. At the right side, we have multimeter, function generator, wattmeter, oscilloscope. So select this oscilloscope, drag it here. This is for observing the signals. So this is A as a channel 1, B as a channel 2. So in this Hartley oscillator, we are not using any input signal. Without connecting the input signal, we are going to generate the oscillations. So pin number 6, we need to connect it to the pin number 8. So this is connected, and this on the terminal we need to ground it. So make the connections. Now we are going to change the values for power supply. For op amp, either we can give 12 voltage or 15 voltage. Now we'll change this value. Double click on that. Select it as 15 voltage. Click on OK. Now select this VE also. Make it as 15 and 5. Click on OK. Now I need to change this inductor value also. So inductor value, we are going to take it as 50 micro Henry. 50 micro Henry. Click on OK. Now this value is changed. Now similarly change this value also. The inductor value, here we are going to use it as 50 micro Henry. Click on OK. Now this capacitor value, we need to use it as, change this value also. It is 100 microfarad we are going to use. 100 microfarad. Click on OK. Now the capacitor value, it is 100 microfarad. Inductor value is 50 microhenry. And power supply also we have changed 15 voltage minus 15 voltage. And pin number 3 is grounded. Pin number 6 output is taken connected to the oscillator. Now this is the complete circuit now. Now save this. Click on save option. So select this. Then simulate. So we need to simulate this. Click on simulate. Double click on this. You are going to generate the oscillations. So now change the time period. Now this is the oscillations that we are going to generate for Hartley oscillator. So these are the oscillations generated at 1 millisecond per division. So in this way, we are going to rig up the circuit as well as observe the simulation waveform. This is the circuit diagram and these are the simulation output. This is all about the multi-sim simulation of Hartley oscillator using op amp. Thank you.